Hello, my name is Tony Ramirez. I'm an associate attorney in the law firm of Wadler, Perches, Hundl, and Kerlick. And in today's video, I want to talk to you about how to go about legally changing your name in Texas. So with going about legally changing your name in Texas, there's two considerations kind of at the outset that you want to be thinking about. The first is going to be why are you requesting a name change? And the second one is going to be what is the age of the individual requesting a name change? A couple of reasons why you might be requesting a name change is maybe because you just don't like the name that you were given at birth. Maybe you're going through an adoption process, or maybe you're trying to disassociate with a parent who hasn't been present in your life. The process of going through a name change differs whether it's a minor requesting a name change or an adult that's requesting a name change. An adult that requests a name change will have to file a petition with the court. They will need to acquire a fingerprint card and submit that with the court. And upon submitting the fingerprint card with the court, they will then appear at a final hearing where they will then ask the judge to grant their name change. For a minor will have a petition filed on his behalf by a parent, guardian. Once a petition is filed, it will be determinative on whether or not both parents are present or consent to the name change. If only one parent consents to the name change or is participating in the name change process, then the parent that is not participating will have to be served with notice of the request for name change for the minor. A couple of things that differ is just the time frame. Because an adult doesn't need the approval of any other individual, an adult name change goes a little bit fairly quicker than it would for a minor. The court does have discretion on whether or not to grant a name change, and some of the reasons why a court may deny or not grant a name change might be because, one, somebody's trying to avoid creditors, maybe somebody's trying to avoid prosecution of criminal activity, or they're trying to escape the need to register based on any conviction for a criminal activity. At the end of the day, the court still has a discretion on whether or not to grant a name change request, and that's two considerations that the court is going to consider. One is whether the name change is in the best interest of the individual who is actually requesting the name change, and the second consideration is going to be whether or not the name change is in the best interest of the public. And so for those reasons, the court will consider various factors. The time frame, again, is going to differ just based on the individual who is requesting the name change, but that's something that you can get more detailed with speaking to an attorney at that time. So if you are seeking to legally change your name, or you have any questions about the process, feel free to reach out to one of our attorneys at Wadler, Perches, Hundl, and Kerlick. Thanks, and have a great day.